Hello my friend, today I want to show you one way to create content with almost any effort. If you want to go faceless, or if you are a teacher and you want to prepare some learning material for your classroom, I think this kind of workflow is very useful. So if you want to watch the video and give yourself a try of it, the tool I want to present you is Gemini Storybook, and I have to tell you, I actually love AI. I have nothing against faceless channels, even if I don't use it, because I'm a human being, so I want to show myself as a flawed human being, nothing perfect, more relatable, And something I want to tell you, if you can trigger emotion, if you can trigger curiosity with your content, it means it's a good content and you are the editor of your content. So it needs an effort from you, even if minimal. But I think the more heart you put on your stuff and the better it comes out. So without making yourself losing more time, this is the thing I want to do on Gemini in the free tier. Can you do an essay in easy to comprehend English for the first book of the Iliad? That is a book that I love very much, classical, ancient literature. So he gives me the essay I ask. I have copied it in a text files and I have pasted it in this one. I have a kind of problem first because it gives it to me in Italian language and didn't understood at first, so I had to do it twice. And I want to show you because it's pretty, and if you are a teacher or something like that, is not totally crap. Actually, I like this kind of content because I know the book and it's very easy to digest. So I show you.
The Wrath of Achilles. The story opens in the 10th and final year of the Trojan War. A terrible plague has fallen upon the Greek army, making the soldiers weak and sick. A priest of Apollo named Chryses comes to the Greek camp. He begs the great leader Agamemnon to return his daughter, Chryses, who had been taken as a prize of war. Agamemnon refuses, shouting insults at the priest. "Go away," he yells. "Your daughter is mine now." This enrages the god Apollo, who sent the plague in the first place. The prophet Calche explains the truth to the leaders. The plague will only end if Chryses is returned to her father without ransom. Agamemnon reluctantly agrees, but his pride is wounded. He demands a new prize to replace Chryses. He chooses Briseis, the prize of the greatest warrior, Achilles. Achilles is furious. "You dishonor me," he roars. He feels betrayed and disrespected by his own leader. In a fit of rage, he declares that he and his soldiers, the Myrmidons, will no longer fight. He tells Agamemnon that the Greeks will suffer defeat without his help. Then he goes to the shore and prays to his mother, the sea goddess Thetis. Thetis flies to Mount Olympus, the home of the gods. She asks Zeus, the king of the gods, to help the Trojans win the war, to show the Greeks how much they need her son. Zeus agrees, but his wife Hera, who favors the Greeks, is not happy. This creates a great tension among the gods themselves, who are now divided in their support. The plague is lifted, and Chryseis is returned to her father, but the Greek army is now without its best warrior. The stage is set for a long period of suffering, all because of the pride of two great men.
Something I forgot to tell you is the style that I wanted my storybook. The drawing style should be old school comics, black and white. Well, it colored at some times, but anyway, it was quite pretty, I think. So, if you want to try it, it's free. It's in the Gemini free plan. I hope I've been useful, and I hope you will make good use of it. If you want, like and subscribe if you like, and you will do me a big favor. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.